Alright, people. Alright, we're live, I know. Oh, we're not coming one by one, you know. Sometimes the live, people can't see the comment them, alright? I know some really come live regular, but I have to come live today for many reasons. Right? They say one thing with me, they say if I go on road and I see something, I go talk about it. Right? Remember say anything you talk, you know, it I go up on live, you know. So anything you talk, it I go up on live. Can't delete again. Mix. Yeah, we need to link up. Yeah, but they are Jamaica in general. Oh, go on, we need to link up for real. I true I'm busy because a lot of people say I come to Jamaica, I don't come on live. Because I'm busy. I don't have to do business, I don't come there for just come party or things like that. I don't have to take care of business. You understand what I say? So I work right now, I'm in my work clothes, I have my knee pad. Work. Right? So I look at her again, I never get a haircut. But tell you the reason why I come live today. When you say good things, we have to talk about it. Right? And you don't need to be friends with somebody to talk about something. So, you know, when you come to Jamaica, sometimes it's very hard to find stores. Hold on, people. Let me try to turn this down. Right? Hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on there. Me dey on live. Hello? 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 No, me dey on live. Let's start with me up. Yeah, so anyway, people. So, you know, so when you're Jamaica now, sometimes it's very hard to find things that make sense. So down here working and finishing up the home and things like that, you have to go Kingston for everything a lot of time. So sometimes people may drive past a store and they may run to that store, don't understand that one because it may be a big popular store and all of that. And then when you buy a faucet or a sink, the quality of it are not good. And a lot of you live overseas now and you don't have to buy a good sink or a good faucet and you have to bring it down on the plane and sometimes you have to bring it down and you may get charged at the airport and things like that. Sometimes they want to take it to the airport too because them might put a price to it. So why not find somebody who actually bring the products in, give it to you for a good just anything that good. Why not bring something? Why not buy something here that somebody already paid to bring it in for you? Even if it costs an extra $10, it's still good. You understand? Because I find that store, I don't lie to the people. The quality, I feel like I'm in a Home Depot, I feel like I'm in a Lowe's, I feel like I'm in a General Plumbing, I feel like I'm in a big plumbing supply them overseas. So I'm going to show you. And also, you can, the website, right? I'm going to get the website. The website is actually under construction, but they have been open for a long time. So if you want to purchase something from the store, you can also call the store and ask them to send pictures of the stuff. They will send pictures and videos to you. Plus, may I share some pictures and video. And then you can pay for it overseas. You can pay for it through your Zelle, your Cash App, your PayPal. You know what I mean? Or once you get the price here, you can send a family member to come and pick up the products. It's in ocho Rios, right? And it's in a good place. So I'm going to show you what I go on with the stuff them have, right? I don't understand where I come from, right? So check this. We're going to start from up here, so I'll show you. I pass and see the store now. So check this out. So if you have a laundromat and you want a nice laundry sink, right here, so. See it here, so. Vanity. Look at the vanity that they have, right? You're getting the whole vanity with the top, you know, right? You buy everything. The drawer them, very nice. The quality of the stuff then is unbelievable, right? Check out this. Check out the vanity here. This is a 4-feet vanity. This is a 24-inch vanity. Or 26, something like that. I don't want to go no ranking. But look at this right now. Right? Check out these vanity. These vanity are unbelievable. Very nice. Right? This is the bowl and they have the undermount bowl. Right here, so. Check it out. Right? Yeah, man. Yeah, check out this. You know, you have a shaker cabinet. Look at this right here, so. Well, tell me if this is not nice. If this stuff is that nice, look. That's the bowl. And they also sell mirror. These are the stuff that they have. Check it out. You get, as I say, you buy the vanity at the top, so you don't have to go build a top somewhere else. Look at this one here, so. Any style, right? Look, very nice, right? Good material. Look at the price. You can't beat this. You go buy this and ship it out and you reach a waft and them and charge you extra money fee. Just buy it here, so. Right? If you're in a St. Anne's, anywhere you're there, you can come and say, come buy. You have the pedestal right here, so. You have the wall mount sink right here, so. Right? Look at the vanity. Right? The bowl by the top just like this. You feel me? I say, the bowl like this, so. Right? Check it out. Look at the top. Right? Like the European made, check this out. The prices are very affordable. Right? Anything you want to fit, look at this. Cheap. Right? 57,500. Very, very cheap. Why would you ship it down when you can't get it at Jamaica? Check out these right here, so. Nice. Everything already come cut. Look at this. Beautiful. Check it out. Right? I'm going to show you now. Sink down there, so check it out. If you want your farm sink, right? Right there, so. Your kitchen sink. Look at the faucet. Look at all them faucets there. Nice. Bathroom and kitchen faucet. This is not cheap stuff. These are good quality. I don't know, plastic them like those little Chinese made something. Right? Look at your towel, your paper towel and your towel, you know, hook and all of that. Check these out. Very affordable. Look at your mowing. You can't get mowing. All these faucets that you see are fine, you buy and I bring down. Right? Look at this. You get them right there, so. Right, that's how you get them. Light fixtures. You want your light fixtures, you get it. Look at it. Mowing. Look at this. You can get the knobs them. You get the best quality. And then guess what happened? Look here. Check this out. You look at hot water heater. You know what I mean? You get them here, so you look at chandelier, you get here, so too. You want camera, you get camera here, so too. Everything is here, because you know, so you have a teeth them down there regular. And they want family a teeth from you. So you have to keep the teeth them out. You understand? Sometimes I don't want to pick the teeth from you, mama teeth from you, body teeth from you. So camera there, you have to watch them. When you're asleep, you can't watch them. Now check out that one here now. Tell me if this is not nice. Right? These are not the Chinese made, these are the good quality, look. You know what I mean? Check it out. And guess what? They are self-close. Look at that. Let me show you now again. Self-close. Watch. Self-close. Check it out again. Look. The knobs, everything. You get everything. One-stop shop. Now check out the shower diverter again and the kitchen faucet them. Right? Now I'll give you the phone number. No worry yourself. You'll soon get the phone number and all of that. Right there, so. Okay, you want body sprayer? Watch. They have the whole unit there, so. The sliding bar. Mowing, watch here. You have the house, man, and all of that. You can come here, come buy everything. They have everything right here in Jamaica. You don't have to bring nothing from overseas. That's why you actually have to save $10 and go to the hustling and you reach a airport and then you lose all your parts. And guess what? If you're looking for parts for your fixtures, you can come here and get your parts. If they don't have it, no one in Jamaica have it. Because the person who owns the store, there's a history behind him. He's a plumber, right? When a plumbing company say, you know, say, I buy the best quality and sharp bite. This is sharp bite. You have sharp bite, you have the toilet flange, You know what I mean? All the fixture them, see it here? And they don't use a little cheap, flimsy, you know what I mean, 90s and something like that. They use the good one, look, like overseas. So them thick. When you're doing your house, stop using those little cheap pipe, because the problem is when you put a snake through these, it don't damage it. Those cheap pipe you're using, they're causing a problem. Look. Now let's go over here, so now. Watch here, so. You know, you have a little water heater right here, so look at this. Wall mount. And if you want a laundry box, you have your laundry box right here, so. You understand? Make your house look good. You work hard, they're fine, you work hard, they're Jamaica, you work hard. See it here. Look at these bowl. Look at all these bowl that they have. Right? Nice bowl they have, right? Check out all these bowl. Look at these. And look at all the faucet. All of these, we buy them and find them there Jamaica. Because someone don't like to make it look like none of they are Jamaica. Look at the price for them, man. Cheap. You understand? Let's talk about the toilet them. Look at this American Standard nice piece. Very nice. Look at this. Right? American Standard. Look. Very clean. Look. Here's a regular toilet over here. So, you know, so there's a bashment toilet. So you don't know, you know. Right? That's a bashment toilet. It's in a comfortable place. Now, check a look. And look at the price for it. That's very cheap. Look. Very, very cheap. I know, say, you can't come and get the doctor of discount. No. Right? See it here? All that toilet we have a friend, we have them at Jamaica. Look, you can flush from the top. Look at that. We got round gated, we have long gated. And then see, we have more sink over here, so again. Look. No, we are go over here, so there. Look, we have a double sink, so you know, wife and husband, boyfriend and girlfriend, mother and daughter, see it here. Double sink. You want the bar, we have the bar here, so too. Put in the shower. This is your drainer now. This is your drain. You know, you do your custom shower, you have your nice fancy French drain. You know, you think to put your little shampoo and things them. They have everything in here. Your towel rack, your curtain rod, right? Them sell pretty much every little thing. Look, right there, so. You know what I mean? Power flush toilet. Look at this one, a full of drawer. You can put in your things, them have drop-in tub, look. They build a platform and you drop in. This is a jacuzzi. This is a jacuzzi right here. You know what I mean? See another jacuzzi here, so this is a 5-foot jacuzzi. Look how much of this. Very cheap. This is not expensive. Look. Very, very cheap. Look, you have your shower bench. You have a little sink. You understand? You have solar light. And them sell some nice slippers, you know. Backside, you see what kind of slippers? Gucci. Watch out. Gucci. Them sell all them and can come buy the one lady, because I know some man have big foot, you know. And small foot. They have all sizes, so can all I work, man, them see that. Them have things. Look at that 6-foot one, I know. Yeah, your wife can stretch out tonight, or your girlfriend. You know what I mean? See the faucet their feet. And look, we have our, so we have rose gold and all them something over here, so. Right here. Right here, so. Right. See that again. Toilet over here, so. Pedestal over here, so again. See there? You can get a compressor here, so too. Shower head. Ladies, nice shower head here, so. Can wash your hair with, and you know, you put your little soap for wash your hand. See it here? Right here, so. You're there in England and you have been a house and in a sentence, watch your man to go be a Bascobel, anywhere. Right here, so you come. And buy your stuff, them. See it here? Everything you want is in the store. See it here? They have everything in the store. I'm showing you the parts. You know, young lady, I'm not afraid of the camera, you know, but and the boss man out the door, you know, because you're driving that camera to the field, I get away from it. I mean, I can't know one little secret spot they have around about there. See? I can't. Oh, look here, laundry sink. Watch your laundry sink. Watch yourself. So much cheap. I can't know what the secret spot. Watch out. Pull out. Faucet. Bashment. Watch out. Oh, God. And then they have whole per sink, you know. They have all kind of sink. Look here. Whole per kitchen sink. See it here? Whole per kitchen sink. Look here. They have everything on us. Right? See there? Whole per sink. They have all kind of sink here, so all kind of parts and so. Right? See it here? Then check out that. The mirror here. They are England, Canada. They have built a house. You rate it to drive, come here so. And come buy what you want. Buy your sink and all of that. Check out them bowl here. Right? They're showing around the store, right? But gonna see my face now, cause you know, I shoot the video from away. I'm gonna find the boss, you know, cause the boss have to put on the spot, cause I have to get my special discount for my client them. And my friend over here, so. Hello, what your name?
My name is Shernit.
Your name is Shernit. I don't know why Shernit no want to show. She not wanted by police. I don't know why Shernit no want to show. I said, Shernit, why don't want to show yourself if people don't know what come see? You shy? No, but you can't just talk to them for 5 minutes and tell them what they should expect when they come.
They can expect good customer service.
Good customer service?
Yes.
She said she don't want to come by the video because she's shy.
They never get good customer service.
They get good customer service?
Good service.
And no customers are come and leave?
Yeah?
No customers come in and leave without something?
They will leave.
They will leave with something?
Yes.
Alright, may I find a boss, can I out the door? No man, bring it and left you out the door. Bring it with you, man.
What?
Bring it with you. You never left nothing open out the door. Always bring. Now I'm showing the boss right now, can I escape from it today? Yeah man, you want to do see boss there for the place. Let them know about the store and all of that and what they should expect when they come here. Can I look like he's shy to you?
Yeah, man, we're shy too, man. We're shy too. This thing here,
Right.
set up for Jamaicans. We can afford to buy them decent things. And now if you run up and down and buy Chinese thing and broke up and down buy.
Right.
You come on my thing and deal with a real Jamaican.
Right.
Alright? Come check it out.
How many years are open now?
5 years.
5 years are open.
5 years.
And
Everything here comes straight directly from Florida. All the screw them and I will screw up the wall from
Right.
Florida.
And then I told them that the website is under construction, so the website's not up and running. But I also explained to them that if they want to purchase something from overseas, when I give out the number where they can reach you. You know what I mean? You can talk to them and you can send pictures to them. And if their family member live anywhere in the world and want to purchase something, they can send the money and come here, come pick it up.
That's correct.
And they'll put up on the spot and the doctor love discount. Yes, the
Anytime.
all right, so they get the doctor love discount and all of that. Give them your phone number or they can, the store, our card there. But me have a card. So the phone number for the store, this is the card right here. This is the card. Right? This is it right here. They can come, or pick up. You don't have no overseas number where they can get in touch with you, right? Any number you give is gonna be publicly, you know. So if you don't have one, we just work with this one.
Work with that one.
Alright, so this is it. Right? Right here, so.
Sure, Nick.
Yeah. Yeah. So, sure that over there says she have to play something else, you know, over there because she's shy. So this is the card right here. You can come to the store and come and purchase what you want to purchase. And you just come in and say, Dr. Love said, you know, and buy out the store, put it on a good house and all of that and make everything good. And you know what we have to do, people? We have to start to support our own black brothers and black sisters. Not because the Chinese are selling something for $10 mean you have to go buy it. Because when they can come to your black brother and the reason with them and say, boy, I'm going to buy something and what we can do, the Chinese are telling us one price and the Chinese are telling us then discount it. Chinese are not in any process of working with you. They're against into a lot of things and they sell you a lot, all this garbage that they don't want in China and different places. Then bring them come to Jamaica and sell. We don't fight against another person's business, but Not because him sell it for 20 and Chinese sell it for 15 if you buy it. Support your own, because if you don't support your own, they're gonna go to business and you see one gonna complain to the government, this and the government that, and black people are suffering and all of that. We have to start to support our own. You have a black owned car dealership, support them. You come here so now you get good service, and you know what I like about here, so when you come in here so they don't treat you like they don't want to sell you something. Them treat you good, them talk to you nice. And what I like about the store, you have two grown person working here. They're not teenagers. Now fight against teenagers. So them talk to you good when you come in and all that, and then they depend on phone, so them have to chat to them boyfriend or them pick me and them this and all of that. And when them eat, them put on them food and serve as a customers, because they are here to aim to please you, because guess what? If you don't buy nothing, they can't get paid, so you know it go already. Right? So they are good people, so we want to come support this store. Yeah, you always support, so you come here before. Come back again, because right now there are some discount things that are going on. Right now, special are going for the whole month of September. For the month of September, special are going to come and say, you want the Dr. Lowe special, and then we work it out to do and say, all right, this is how it is and all of that. Feel me? Come to the store and support them. It's in ocho, Rios, it's right next to Sanders. It's a safe place. And as I said, but they don't do delivery, right? They don't do delivery at the moment, and they have enough to... So they can be arranged. All right, say buy a sink so now and you don't know if a car won't carry the panel, one little buggy. Them can get a car if a car you go, but remember, you have to pay for the delivery. But they're gonna give you somebody who's gonna drop it at your yard without no problem and all that, but you have to pay for your delivery and all of that. And when the stuff are leaving here, they make sure they wrap up and nice and well. You know, sir, hold on there. I never about to stop with you today. I go give you a break today, because is it true we now in a decent place? I mean, I do this. I'm not going to stop with you, because I don't know who asks you any questions. You understand? I will deal with you later on. Right? Someone if you have nothing good for say, don't talk. Right? You need to show when in your house, because I'm pretty sure it's enough sitting in your house that Chinese made them. Anyway, but we'll continue, because I'm not going to roll it for you.
If they made in China, they're going to work first.
Exactly. You don't worry about them. Somebody on the live. Check that facet I'm on the show now again. Watch out. Roll out and roll in. I'm here for show now. All them show right there. All different size. Look. The whole unit, you buy the whole unit. And you know the good thing about this? They're not used. See the bigger, they're not used. They're brand new stuff coming all the way from Florida. Mowing all of that. See, so this is a store to be. When I go to Jamaica, I only buy from my own. Thank you, my friend. Buy from your own. Don't buy from the China them. Alright, see it here. Check out the store. And then, as I said, all information, I will put it in the description. And as I say, if you want to buy a camera, you know, for watch your teeth, them see it there. Okay, you know them down here, you know. See camera right there, so. See it here. You want to light? Because someone have big house down and left family member at night. And the thief out in the sitting. Put camera upon them when you can watch them, and they work with Wi-Fi too. See the light there? You understand? And if you don't want drill, if you want to buy a drill set, like say you want to buy your workman a drill set, you can come there and come buy it from them too and give it to them for Christmas and all of that. You understand? But make sure to buy the camera, because camera is very important for you, especially in a time like this, because I tell you thief they're random. They will eat. Water heater, you don't have to bring them from foreign, because when you come to the airport now, they want to take away sit and overcharge you. So say for example, say, alright, let me show you an example. You can understand what I go on. Let me show you an example or something. Say for example, say that Faucet here, say it a selfie, 200 US for example. When you reach the airport and they catch you with this sometime, they might ask you for the receipt fee. And then I go up online and look it up and realize, yo, this is how much, and then I go charge you based on that. So if you pay $200, you reach a airport and then charge another $70. You just waste $70 where you can just come and buy it here, so. And you have to go and save your money. And the $70 where you pay a airport, you could have pay a plumber to hook it up. You understand? See it right there, so. Right? Anyway, people, big up on yourself. I'm going to put up the description and check out the store. See? The #1 store in Jamaica with all the best quality. Up and out.